Have you suddenly seen the stability controls not working? Service soon warning on your Freightliner dashboard along with the ABS and traction control lights? If so, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Many drivers assume this warning means a major brake failure, but that's not always the case. Sometimes the fix is surprisingly simple, while other times it points to an issue that needs proper attention. In this video, I'll explain what this warning really means, the most common causes behind it, and at the end, I'll share 2 solutions, including a quick fix you can try immediately and what to do if that doesn't solve the problem. What this warning really means. This warning appears when the truck's ABS and electronic stability control system detects an active fault and disables its electronic stability features. Your normal air brakes continue to work, but important safety systems such as stability control and traction control are no longer available until the problem is resolved. So while the truck may still be drivable, it isn't providing the same level of electronic safety assistance. But what actually causes the system to disable itself? Most common causes. The most common cause is a problem with a wheel speed sensor. These sensors constantly monitor how fast each wheel is rotating. If one becomes dirty, contaminated with grease, road salt, mud or metal debris, or if it moves slightly out of position after brake or wheel end service, the ABS module may receive incorrect information and disable the stability control system. However, that's not the only possibility. Another common cause is a loose or vibrating ESC yaw rate sensor. If the sensor or its mounting bracket is affected by excessive vibration, it may send unreliable data to the control module, triggering the warning. There's another reason many drivers overlook. If your truck recently had a steering alignment or steering component replacement, the steering angle sensor may need to be recalibrated. When its readings no longer match the truck's actual direction of travel, the stability control system can shut itself off as a safety precaution. In some cases, damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, battery voltage issues, or communication problems within the CAN network can also trigger this warning. Certain affected models may even require updated ABS or ESC software because of factory programming issues. Now you might be wondering, is it actually safe to keep driving? The truck's normal braking system continues to function, but the electronic stability system, traction control, and rollover protection remain disabled. That means extra caution is needed, especially during sharp turns, wet roads, or emergency maneuvers. If possible, reduce your speed, avoid sudden steering inputs, and arrange to have the truck inspected as soon as you can. Now let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the solutions. Solution 1. The first thing you can try is a simple restart. When it's safe to do so, stop the truck, switch the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and then restart it. If the warning was caused by a temporary communication issue, the message may disappear after the restart. However, if the warning returns, it's a sign that the underlying problem still needs to be fixed. Solution 2. If the warning comes back, inspect the wheel speed sensors. Check for dirt, grease, mud, metal particles, or a sensor that has moved away from the tone ring. Cleaning the sensor and tone ring or properly reseating the sensor may resolve the issue. If the sensor is damaged, replacement may be necessary. If neither of those solves the problem, the truck should be professionally diagnosed. A technician can scan the ABS and ESC system to identify the exact fault code. Depending on the diagnosis, the repair may involve recalibrating the steering angle sensor, repairing damaged wiring, correcting ESC calibration, or updating the ABS or ESC software. This approach fixes the root cause instead of simply clearing the warning. The biggest takeaway is that this warning doesn't always mean an expensive repair. Sometimes it's only a temporary fault, while other times it's caused by something as common as a wheel speed sensor. The important part is not to ignore it, especially if the warning keeps coming back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more truck troubleshooting videos, and if you've experienced this warning on your Freightliner, let everyone know in the comments what fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.